Huida Technology is the world's leading provider of field agricultural solutions. Taking intelligent agricultural equipment as the entry point, it is committed to promoting the development of global agricultural digitalization and intelligence. Since its establishment, the company has adhered to the development strategy of independent research and development. Through continuous technology R&D and experience accumulation, technologies such as the Internet of Things, the Internet, big data, and artificial intelligence have been deeply integrated with architectural industry to empower all aspects of agricultural production, solve the pain points of agricultural production. The company's main products include agricultural plant protection drones, agricultural machinery navigation systems, intelligent irrigation systems, terminal monitoring systems, pre-installed intelligent equipment for complete machines, agricultural IoT platform series, and self-operated unmanned farms. The 7-product series cover the whole process of cultivation, plantation, management, and harvesting, effectively help the majority of agricultural workers to improve the efficiency of agricultural production and operation and realize the rapid and efficient development of agricultural ecology. Agricultural Machinery Automatic Driving System HD408 is widely used in crawler, hinged, wheeled, and so on. Realize the working speed range of 0.1 to 30 km per hour. Accuracy up to plus-minus 1.5 centimeters per kilometers. Widely used in ditching, riding, mulching, sowing, soil preparation, harvesting, transplanting, leveling, etc. Improve operational efficiency and quality and reduce personnel dependence. The HD20 base station series provide centimeter-level differential positioning signals. One single base station can cover a radius of 30 kilometers, providing high-precision positioning guarantee for precise agricultural operations. Agricultural Drone HD540 Pro has 2 operation modes of 40 liters spraying and 60 liters sowing. The maximum payload is 50 kilograms. The spraying efficiency can reach 20 hectares per hour, and the spreading efficiency is 50 kilograms per 30 seconds. Applied to sowing, fertilizing, spraying, disinfecting, handling, and other scenes. It has the functions of autonomous flight of roots, adjustable flow of droplets, autonomous obstacle avoidance, data management, and other functions. The intelligent irrigation system consists of terminal management software composed of mobile phone app and a PC platform, field valve control module, fertilization control module, water pump control module, and sensory monitoring module series products. The software and hardware are fully covered to meet the complete needs of intelligent upgrading of irrigation pipe network and water and fertilizer integration transformation. Through the mobile app or PC platform, remote monitoring, control, and data analysis can be realized to effectively improve the efficiency of agricultural management and return on investment. Intelligent solutions for pre-installed of agricultural machinery include intelligent cockpit solutions, intelligent sowing monitoring solutions, and Internet of Vehicle solutions, and improve the advanced nature of agricultural machinery. The HD Smart Agricultural Platform is based on the mechanization of the entire agricultural operation. Through monitoring, decision-making, alarm, control, and other means, the whole planning cycle management, such as prepartum, during and postpartum, is realized. Assist agricultural production decision-making and increase return on investment. Huida Technology's continuous investment in research and development, the docking of cutting-edge technology and agricultural demand, the realization of agricultural robots and unmanned intelligent farm solutions, and release of huge market space. The global layout of Huida Technology provides a strong guarantee for the implementation of partners' multi-category strategies focusing on agriculture. Join hands to step into the stage of information-led, intelligent production, and sustainable modern agricultural development. Promote and implement intelligent agriculture in the world.